Welcome back. In this session of video, we are going to see how to use the while loop to generate 6 unique integers using the random module. So how are you going to do that? First of all, to start, we need to import our random module, that is the from random we import the run in method, because we want to generate random integers. So the random integers are found in the run in method, which is in the random module. So let's create a variable of balls, and here you can say that you want to generate random balls in the intervals, let's say from 1 to, it should be maybe in between 1 and 10, exclusive, so inclusive instead. So if we try to print our ball, okay, let's try to run and see. Okay, here is the random integer that we get. Let's try to run again and see if it's changing. Yes, it's changing. Now it's 10. You can see that you already have our instruction to generate the random ball, but now the random balls are not unique, because it can be like, even you can run the program several times and have the same value, because it's only shuffling over the interval that we give. So how to do in order to bypass or to generate only unique balls? To do that, here comes the while loop, where we can bypass it using the while loop. Like, for example, let's see, we can say, as now we are having our interval of the ball, that is from 1 to between 1 and 10. Now we can say, let's say we append all the unique balls in a list. So you have to create a list. You can say result list. We create an empty list, okay, where we append our values. Now using the while loop, you say while ball in result list. What are you going to do? You are going to say ball. So you have to take back the run in instruction, so that at every moment that the ball is in the list, you have to like shuffle back the list and create and give back a different value that is not found in the list. So here, so the instruction here is that while the ball in the result list, this is the result that we created. So while the ball is in the result list, which is an empty list, if by like looping through our list we see this the value that we created from the random module, the run in, that is the random balls. So we will use the while to bypass it by generating back the ball until we get different values, because we said that you can have the same ball at several attempts, because it's not like at each moment you have different balls. It's not like, it can be possible to have different balls, but we can also have unique balls. So that is why we use the while loop in order to bypass it. So here, after generating back our ball, we can come out of the while loop and undo the result list dot append. We append our ball. So here, if the ball is not in the result list, so it will come out of the loop and append. So here while it is true, do this. When false, come back, jump in this line and give us the ball. So I change that from here. We can print. Okay, we can print back our ball. Not the ball, instead we bring out the result list, because it's our list. Okay, so here in the list we are having 3. Now you are having 9, 6, 1, 1. So here you have seen that we are adding values, but the aim was to have 6 unique balls. So in order for us to have like only 6 balls, we need to use the for loop. That is for like for I, let's say, in the range, let's say 6, because you said you want 6 balls in the range 6, do this. But now in Python, as you know, we have to respect indentation. So let's indent this block. Okay, now we are having an instruction now. So for I in the range, you go through this several times, or 6 times, and append it in our result list, so that if we run here, we are having 10. So in order to have the 6 balls in the same list, we instead need, because here is my bad, we need to bring this one in we need to indent it. It should be under the loop, because at every time we are looping, we have to add them in the list. So to do that, let's bring it here at the same level now, so that you will go 6 times and bring out our result list. Let's try to execute and see. Okay, here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You see that we are having 6 different values. Even if you run again, you see 6 different values. So here is how we can create or generate 6 random balls easily using Python with the while loop. For sure, it's not the only method, but in this video we are going to stop here. So see you guys in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.